Mr. Speaker, I rise in support of the Elijah Cummings Lower Drug Costs Now Act. This is in your name, Elijah, and I think that you're listening. This bill is the most transformational change to Medicare since President Johnson signed Medicare into law in 1965. Why? Because it allows Medicare to directly negotiate the price of the most expensive drugs in our country, including insulin. The lower price will not only apply to seniors that are enrolled in Medicare, but across all private insurance policies. Manufacturers will no longer be able to hike prices faster than the rate of inflation, and very importantly, it caps the out-of-pocket costs of seniors for their prescriptions at $2,000 a year. That's going to be a godsend to seniors. Something else that will be a godsend to seniors is, with the savings in this legislation, seniors in Medicare will have additional benefits that they have been clamoring for a very long time. Coverage for vision, dental, and hearing, as well as colonoscopies and lymphedema treatment. Very importantly, I hear a lot about innovation here. This legislation increases funds for the National Institutes of Health to research and develop new cures. It provides almost $3 billion for the FDA to ensure the safety of our drugs. Very important. All the committee members know that. It invests in our community health centers, and it directs $10 billion to address the opioid crisis in our country. So what's the difference between what the Republicans are saying and what the Democrats are saying? At the core of this bill, H.R. 3, is that there will be direct negotiations with the drug manufacturers to bring the price of drugs down. Our Republican friends do not support that. And we know it works. Direct negotiations from the VA, in the VA, direct negotiations in TRICARE, which is the health care system for all of our fellow Americans that wear a uniform and their families. So this legislation is sensible. Millions of Americans are not only going to save money, they will finally have the peace of mind that they will be able to afford the prescription drugs that they need for treatment or those treatments that keep them alive. I'm so proud of the work that the committee has done, and I recommend this bill to every single member of the House, Republicans, Democrats, because of the substance of it and what it will bring into people's lives. And I yield back the balance of my time.